Hello everybody and welcome to another fishing episode. Today I will be targeting sea trout as usual on the west coast of Sweden. The conditions for fishing are pretty nice, it's cloudy, there is a west wind and enough movement in the water, which is great. I usually try to avoid the north or east wind. The water temperature is probably quite high for sea trout. Now it's the beginning of June and it reached plus 17 degrees Celsius lately. But last 2 days it was raining and the temperature dropped a little bit, so hopefully that cooled a little bit the fish. And the last thing that I wanted to mention is the tide. Right now it's a low tide, but probably it's not so crucial because I will be fishing not in a very shallow water. I will try something between 1 and 3 meters depth. Hopefully over there fish will feel safe. So the conditions are not really optimal, but it's always good to go and fish rather than to sit and wait for those perfect conditions which don't guarantee the fish. The water is quite murky right now, that's why I will go with this bright color lure and a teaser fly imitation of shrimp. Fish on. And that's a garfish. Yep, got it. It's not really common for me to catch garfish on the mouth. Usually it hits the lure, swims around, and then you can catch it on gills, on the side, on the top, on the tail. Actually, I started with a bright pink color because the water is quite turbid and it didn't work, so I switched to more natural color. It was a few nice hours on the coastline. I got a fish for tomorrow's dinner. Thank you for staying tuned and see you next time.